Hello, my name is Ed Rentz and I'm a neighborhood emergency team member. Major disasters such as Hurricane Katrina, earthquakes in Haiti, Chile, and Japan, and tsunamis in Indonesia and Japan have shown that help can be days away. Sometimes the nature of the disaster makes it difficult or impossible for aid to get to where it's needed. Roads and bridges can be damaged or destroyed. Airports can be compromised and cannot be used. Other infrastructure may also be damaged and destroyed. Building a survival kit will help bridge the gap until help arrives. There are three types of kit: the home survival kit, the grab-and-go kit, and the car kit. You can purchase pre-made disaster kits from a range of sources, or you can assemble one yourself using items you already have. The most important item in your kit is water. You can go many days without food. However, you can only survive a short time without water. The home survival kit is a kit for the home. It should have supplies to keep the family going for at least a week. It includes water, 1 gallon of water per person per day for at least a week. The medical emergency or hot weather may require additional water. Other sources of water in the home include ice cubes, hot water tank, water in the pipes, water in the toilet tank, not the bowl. If it's not chemically treated, that is. Inappropriate water sources include swimming pool, hot tub, water bed, toilet bowl. Also any ponds, lakes, or streams in the nearby property. Store water in a cool place. Rotate water every 6 months if you fill your own water containers. Use only #1 plastic containers such as pop, juice, or liquor containers. Rinse out with a 10% bleach solution. Do not use milk or chemical containers. They can never be cleaned enough. Glass bottles may break. You can also purchase water containers from camping stores. Also include food. Choose foods that your family will eat. Remember any special dietary needs. Avoid foods that make you thirsty. Choose salt-free crackers, whole grain cereals, and canned goods with a high liquid content. Canned goods have a long shelf life. Commercially prepared canned goods do not need to be cooked. Don't forget the manual can opener. Pick ready-to-eat canned meats, fruits, vegetables, and soups. Select high-protein, nourishing foods, peanut butter, dried fruits, nuts, canned juices, protein, and fruit bars, and food for infants, food for pets. If the power is out, a refrigerator will keep food cold for about 4 hours if it is unopened. Refrigerators should be kept at 40 degrees or less. If the power will be off for days, use the food first. Above 40 degrees for 2 hours or more, discard it. Have a thermometer for the refrigerator. Do not eat canned goods that show bulging, corrosion, or dents. Do not eat food that looks or smells abnormal. Do not let garbage accumulate near the food supply. Alternative cooking sources in times of emergency can include barbecue grills and camp stoves. Do not use in an enclosed area. They put out a lot of carbon monoxide. Rotate food every year. Add it to your pantry and replace the food in your kit. Other items in your kit should include medicines, shelter materials such as tarps or plastic sheeting, change of clothes, cooking supplies, bedding, blankets, toiletry items, radio and extra batteries, flashlight and extra batteries, first aid kit, manual can opener, important papers such as insurance policies, bank information, and account numbers. Put them in a watertight Ziploc bag. Also include games and fun things for the kids. Don't forget your pets. Supplies can be stored in plastic tubs and/or trash cans. Store the kits in a shed or garage. Do not store in the basement. If the house collapses, it may be sitting on top of your supplies. The grab-and-go kit is used primarily during vacations or areas that may require a quick evacuation. It is also used as an office kit. It should contain water, energy bars, important papers, change of clothes, flashlight, radio, extra batteries, and maps of the area. Make sure the supplies for each person. Supplies can be stored in a backpack or gym bag. It should be stored near the point of exit. If evacuation is necessary, you can grab it and go. Rotate water and energy bars every 6 months. Car kit, as the name implies, stays in the car. It can be stored in the trunk or the back of the van or the SUV. There should be supplies for each person. The kit should include water, energy bars, flashlight and extra batteries, blankets, A bright colored flag or cloth to attract attention. Also include jumper cables, fire extinguisher, map of the area, and some basic tools. Rotate water and energy bars every spring and fall. Heat and cold will affect both the water and the energy bars.